Hey guys, Sade here with Corpão Fitness, and this is your 8-minute arms workout. Bar style, grab some weights or grab some cans. They don't need to be heavy, trust me on this. We've got each move 60 seconds. This is part of your 8 days of training. So let's take those palms out to the sky. We're gonna pulse the hands 3 times up and then bring it into first position. You ready? Squeeze those abs. Let's go. We pulse 1, 2, 3, really straight arms, bring them in rounded, keep the elbows elevated, and back out. So you pulse for 3, you bring it in for 1. And you can start to make it a little bit more graceful if you want. Important thing is just form, keeping those shoulders away from the ears as you work the back muscles and the whole upper body here. If you want, you can sink into a plie, get some bonus leg work. Continue to pulse through. Okay, my advanced guys, heels up in this position if you also want to challenge yourself further. You don't have to do that, guys, though. It's whatever you want to do here. Keep pressing through, keep breathing. Beautiful, sticking with it. Feeling that full extension when those arms come out. Really make them straight as possible here. This is our last one. Beautiful, hold it, come back to standing. You can bring the legs in a little closer if you would like. We're gonna take one arm up into 5th position. The other arm is gonna round, come in. You ready, guys? Just this one arm goes out and in. The other one stays nice and elevated here. So isolating one, moving the other. Beautiful. If you want to bring the feet even closer, you can take it into first position. Some people like to have one leg out. If it makes you feel graceful, go for it. Sticking with that movement. You should start to feel the arms by now, right? It gets a little more challenging. Keeping it going. Beautiful. We want a few more. Keep thinking about the body really nice and strong and graceful. Long like a dancer's here. Breathing through. Okay, on this next one, I want you to just hold it, palm to the sky. Just hold for a few breaths. We're gonna switch our arms, but try not to drop anything if you can help it, if possible. So we switch your legs too, if you wanna do that. You guys ready? So it's gonna be the same thing, palm to the sky, push that arm back, we bring it in and back out. So really focusing on your core strength here and on the control that this takes. It's only 8 minutes, but it is a powerful workout here. Feel yourself grow a little taller. As a short person, that is why I love barre. Keep elongating, guys, the spine, keeping that top arm high. Don't let it shoot forward. It's gonna want to, don't let it though. Keep engaging your abs without sticking out the belly. Beautiful. We are nearly to that hold here, and there'll be a tiny break if you can make it through. You ready? Hold, palm to the sky, press those arms back. Breathe. And release. Short but powerful, yeah? That arm workout gets you? Let's move on now. So we're gonna start doing both arms together here. And what we wanna do is first position. And again, I'm gonna encourage you to take one foot forward, which just works the legs a little bit, gets the balance. You're gonna take your arms in front of you, palms to the sky. You ready? Let's go for a half bicep curl. From the side, it looks like this. Make sure you're not leaning, you're nice and straight. Yeah, just like this, finding that strength. Keeping those elbows high. Those of you that feel a little bit less strong today, drop your elbows. This is easier, a lot easier. Beautiful, really long extensions, long spine. So guys, switch your leg if you had one leg out there. Keeping those elbows working, squeezing the abs. Beautiful, and hold it. Release, shake it out, beautiful. So for our next one, variation of that, but with pulsing. You ready? So first position here, let's keep the feet together for this one. Arms come up, you got it? And we pulse. Just pulsing through here. Good, sticking with it, nice and beautiful, really strong. Staying with this movement. You can also separate the feet a little bit if it's more comfortable. Just make sure that your pelvis is tilted forward. Let's start to slowly open it. Slowly close it. It's amazing how much you can feel this, yeah? Keeping it going. Beautiful, guys. This is the movement we want, the movement we feel, working into those arms as strong as possible here. Nearly through it. Little break is coming. Can you finish it strong? And quick little release. Take that little break. One final movement, and I'm going to encourage you to come down in a plie if you haven't already today. Palms out to the sky. Okay, as we rotate the palms down and up. This is the last movement of this workout here. So really strong, working those arms, breathing through. If you do want to add some intensity, you can alternate raising one heel at a time as you rotate those wrists. If you need to take a little break, bring the elbows in, but do not stop. Keep it strong. I know you can do this. You're towards the end, so stay strong throughout, guys. If you want to make it even harder, both heels up together. Breathing through. Every time a little stronger. Gorgeous, keeping it going. Keep finding that strength. We are so close to the end. If you can make it with me here. Almost there. And release it. Let it go. Weight down. Amazing job, guys. I'm going to encourage you to do a stretch video, which I will link there for you. If you want to join me in more of these 8-minute workouts, remember it's 8 days of them, celebrating my 8 years as a coach and trainer. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the movements, if you felt it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, so you know every time there is a new workout, recipe, or fitness tips for you. Ciao, guys.